Alright, I'm going to try and demonstrate a trade here. I see a setup possibly forming. And so I'm going to draw some lines here. These are the lines I use just as a visual guide. I've got two blue lines as profit targets, 1 point and 2 point. A red line, which is my stop loss, moving up here. The purple line is where I'd like to enter this trade, possibly. But the signal's not happening yet. So we'll just see if this is going to happen for us. On the right, I've got my trading pad. And on the left, obviously, my charts. I'm trading off of a 2-minute chart. Pull up a 1 minute and check it out, too. I kind of use a 1 minute as a guide. So we'll see if this happens. Alright, here we go. I'll go ahead and place my order. And I'm adjusting my lines now to where I'm hoping to enter this trade. It runs my way. Alright. So now I'm in. Obviously you can see it kind of went against me, but that happens with some fluctuation. You want to build in a little bit of a cushion, which is a stop loss. I'm trading a 1.25 stop loss. So if the trade goes against me, I'm not going to lose more than 1.25 points. It'll automatically take me out where my red line is. Entering at the purple line, and then I've got my two profit targets, 1.2 point. So it looks like it's going to go my way, so we'll see. Alright. If it hits that 1 point, I start moving my stop loss up. Here we go. So now I've moved my stop loss up, so I'm only risking a half point now. If it goes through 1 point, then I'll start securing some profit. Okay, so I'll move this to break even. So now I'm not risking anything on this trade. There we go. Now it's just all profit. It's run a half point. I'm going to secure some money on this. It's run 1.5 points, 1.75 points. I think it'll hit 2 point profit target, and it'll automatically take me out when it does.
Bye.
There we go. So I traded this off of the 2-minute chart. Obviously this happened within one candle, which was less than 2 minutes for me. 10 minutes into the day. I made $1,000 off of this trade, trading 10 contracts. As a beginner, you're not going to want to trade 10 contracts. We would not recommend that at all. You'd want to just practice with one. But the trick is to develop some consistency, and when you can become consistent, making $50 to $100 a day with one contract, then you can start gradually adding more and more contracts. And as you add more and more contracts, you're obviously going to make more and more profit. Making a 2-point win in a day is not that difficult to find. If you look in the mornings, there are plenty of opportunities to make a 1 or 2 point win off of a trade. So it's easy. It just takes a little bit of practice and some discipline for you to pick the right trades, and that's what we can teach you. I hope you found this a little bit interesting. Until next time, have a profitable day.